So, how can you build an affiliate marketing business if you don't have a follower? Part two. Hey, Cece Cheney here, and I am back with part two of the How to Build an Affiliate Marketing Business Without a Following series. So, today I'm talking about a free traffic method. So, I know last week's video I said if you don't want to pay for traffic, do not watch this video. Well, hey, if you're looking for a free method, I want you to go ahead and pay attention to this one, okay? So, um, this is actually going to use social media, and you can choose your favorite social media platform for this. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you could use Pinterest, TikTok. I mean, really, you could use whatever you want. But this is a method that can work for you. So, right, this is affiliate marketing, which basically means I am going to promote someone else's product or service. And when somebody uses my link, then they are going to, the person who owns the product or service is going to give me a commission. They're going to give me a percentage of sales because I referred that person to them. And as you know, this is one of my favorite methods for building a business online, especially for beginners, because it is so much simpler than all of these other complicated methods of making money online. And this approach today is very easy. Okay, I'm going to warn you though, not everybody's going to like this approach. Okay, some people are going to hear this and they're going to be like, I don't do that. And that's perfectly fine. But this is a really simple method and it works. And I know it works because I've done it. Okay, so this is actually the DM method, right? The direct message, private message method, right? So you're going to go and you're going to select your products. For this example, let's say it's something in the weight loss arena, okay? So let's say you're promoting some sort of weight loss product. And what you're going to do is you are going to post something on either your stories or on your profile, and you are going to ask a question that will identify people who are interested in what you're offering, right? So you might say something, oh my gosh, who else is tired of struggling with weight loss, right? And anyone who likes or anybody who comments on that post, you can then DM, private message, and say, hey, I actually have something that is helping a lot of people. If you're interested, I could send you the link, right? It's really that simple, okay? Now you might be saying, okay, but what if I don't have a following? What if I don't know anyone? Here's the thing. You don't know what's going on in the people around you's life, right? So if you're on social media, let's say you've got 50 friends on social media, you could literally message every single one of them and say, hey, I found this really cool product that's helping a lot of people lose weight. Do you know anybody who might be interested in that? And then see what they say. Some people are going to ignore you. Some people are going to say, yeah, me. What's the info? Some people are going to say, no thanks. And some people might be rude. I mean, there's no telling what's going on in people's lives. But this is a really simple method, especially if you don't have an existing following. Now, the beauty of this is that you can take this method lots of ways. You can do this in your stories on like Facebook or Instagram, for example. And anybody who responds to a poll about that topic, you can ask them the question in the DMs. Right, that's one option. You can go to um, pages and profiles of people of products that are similar to what you have to offer. You can DM people there. Okay, so I'm not telling you to go spam people, and I'm always saying ask, right? Ask the question. So you might have to say, hey, I don't know if this is something that you might be interested in, but I've got this thing that's really helping people do X, Y, and Z. Do you know anybody who might be interested? Yeah, hey, I know we don't really know each other, but I saw, I came across your profile, and I just wondered if you know anybody who might be interested in X, Y, and Z. And it's really that simple. I have gotten referrals this way. I have sold products this way. It's something that I have done in network marketing and that has worked for me. So this is a method that works. You know, social media has a crap ton of humans. There are humans everywhere. If you don't have social media, you could do this on your cell phone, right? You could go to your actual um, contacts list and you could just text the people in your phone, right, to get you started. And the beautiful thing about a method like this is when you're first getting started, it's an easy way to get your first yes. It's an easy way to start to get your first sales. And then once you start making sales, maybe you have a little bit more income that you can use to do some of the paid traffic methods that I shared in the last video, right? As a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and link that in the description in case you've missed that because I feel like there was some really good information there. But that's the DM method. It's really simple. You're just going to reach out to some humans and ask them if they're open to what it is that you have to offer. If they say no, hey, cool, that's great. If they say yes, hey, cool, that's great. It really doesn't matter. Your job is just to ask the question and share your link if they are interested. Okay, so that's a free method. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you would be willing to try. And if you are learning social media for the first time, go ahead and check the free resources that I have below this video, because it will give you so much good information on how to build your business using various traffic strategies. All right, until next time, ciao.